Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our Agri Hub. Here at APU, we have developed Agri Hub to bring technology and agriculture together in a very practical way. Come on, let me give my access. You can see our vertical hydroponic setup. The cucumber and lettuce really grown well. We can grow more than 200 plants in a compact space using less than 90% water compared to soil farming. Here we have a lot of interesting setups. We have Autopod, we have IoT enabled agriculture, hydroponic system, vertical tower. You can see the tank here where we mix the nutrients and we have placed sensors inside. These sensors measures important parameters like temperature, pH and EC that tells us how much nutrients is available in water, and we can continuously do the monitoring in the dashboard. Basically, we are measuring the temperature, pH and EC. We are maintaining the pH level of 5.5 to 6.5 for the lettuce, and all EC pH has been automatically measured here based on plant's needs. See how well our lettuce has grown. We have also implemented the vision based technology here, computer vision based system, and this vision based system monitors the health of the plants. If the plant is inspected with any pest, diseases or any malnutrition, everything can be identified by this computer vision based system. We have also given control lighting and humidity to make sure the plants grow healthier. The real benefit of automated crop health monitoring is that it makes the whole process more accurate and efficient. Instead of checking every plant manually, the system constantly collects data and makes adjustments on its own. It reduces human error, saves time, and even alerts us early if something goes wrong. And another big advantage is that we are growing everything organically without using pesticides. The plants are healthier, safer to eat, and better for the environment. AgriHub is not just about farming, it's about showing how smart technologies like AI, IoT, and blockchain actually change the way we grow, monitor, and take care of crops. Looking ahead, we are expanding further. Our agri drone play a key role in farming, assisting with watering and fertilizer application. They are equipped with cameras to monitor crop health. We are also developing robotic harvester for tomatoes and cucumbers. Using machine vision, these robots will inspect crop maturity and harvest at right time. Hopefully, the next time I take you through our agri hub, I will be able to demonstrate that in action. At the same time, this hub also provides strong research support for our staff and students. It is acting as a living laboratory where ideas can move beyond theory into hands-on experimentation. Everywhere we have cameras, and these cameras capture the real-time information of the farm. Any pest, any diseases, the plant is affected, immediately the farmer will get an alert. Here, this space is deliberately given for seedling and germination purpose. All seeds we are keeping in this bed, growing bed for 3 days, and after 3 days and we are replanting to the hydroponic system here. If you see here, you can notice lot of lights here. So the lighting and humidity are controlled 100% here. That's why you can see a perfect growth of a plant. You can see here how the plant beautifully has grown. It's quite organic, it doesn't have any pesticide. We just use only the fertilizer So organically we have grown everything, and most of the things are automated. The major drawback of this smart farming is high cost. But you have to realize that even if it is high cost, that is a one-time investment. So whenever you are recycling the crops, it is not needed to change all the technology. Only thing is you need to change the seeds and you have to plant the crops there. That's it. So it is not much expensive when you compare the profit which you are gaining from the smart farming. We can avoid chemically laced food by adapting to such kind of smart farming technology. When we are using smart farming technologies, then definitely we will get organic grown food. So what you are consuming is not a chemical, it is a healthy food. It's a good feed for your healthy living. So farm to plate, again we all can become a farmer with organic veggies.